Alright, back again, Charlie the Handyman. Today, we're going to be redoing my garage. Well, I should say organizing the garage. Reibii sent me out these shelves. Buttes, tanks. I think they hold like 3,000, maybe 5,000 pounds. My wife clearly has way too much junk. All sorts of different bins, so I can't build one of those, black and yellow top. Yeah. We got these shelves. Link in the description. Let's go. So this is going to be the only tool you need. Box cutter. Comes with everything else in the box. So what do we got here? We got the little mallet. Really the only tool you need. Wall anchoring if you want to attach to your wall. We got the connectors to connect the bottom to the top. Voila. Another set of connectors. Sissy mittens. If you're scared of cutting your hand. Oh. And the rubber feet. Now let's put it together. Alright, it was about 1,000 degrees in the garage. So let's voice over this bad boy because we had the fan blowing. So basically what I'm doing here is this is your verticals. See, you got the big end to the little end. You want to make sure the big end is at the top. That way your shelves will not come disconnected. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now with these little rubber feet, obviously you're going to put them at the bottom. So that will be where the smaller end of the bubble is. I guess we'll call it a bubble. A little hard to get in, but once you hit it with the mallet, they went in there. There you go. You see, you have it at the bottom of the bubble. That way your shelves will not come apart. And then repeat. Now, I wouldn't say this is the best demonstration, but see these two little tabs? Obviously, they're going to go into the verticals. Your two little tabs there. Like I said, big opening at top. I'm going to make sure the platform with the hole is towards the top for your shelf. And you just slide them down, pound it with the mallet. I don't know why I try to build it in the box, but live and learn. Now, once you've got your bottom set up here, you're going to take these two little cross braces, get a panel, slap it down there. You could probably get this sucker together maybe 10 minutes. Once you figure out all the lengths and your heights, I took a bin that was probably going to go in there. Get your height. Take the rails to Pound Town. Get them in there nice and tight. And you're off to the races. You could put these shelves at whatever height you desire. Although I would say, pro tip here, do not put them on the top two holes because you're going to need to put your connectors there. Which I will show you right here. So these are the connecting. You could leave it at a 2 level, or we can go up to 4 shelves. You take the little plastic connectors. They got these other little dilly whoppers. Slap them in the holes. Boom, connected. Again, measure my shelf with my bin. That's crooked. That's level. Now follow. That's crooked. Fixed. Apparently my eyesight was off on this day because everything was just crooked. Clearly these are not rocket science and you could do it very quickly. Just need the little mallet that it comes with and here you go. You have the perfect shelves. Look at them suckers. It's a Butte Clark. And they're nice and lightweight. You can just move them right next to each other. Don't need any help. And now we're going to get a little knick-knack paddywhack and give all these knick-knacks shelf to go on. This is all Christmas junk. It's unbelievable, but All right, there you have it. Huge shout out to Reibii for sending me out these shelves. As you can see, I've made a huge fatal mistake. There is space. That means my wife is gonna buy more shit. I'll put the link in the description. Click it. I'm sure I'll have a coupon code or something down there. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like. Ring the bell. Job done.